Yup. Another round of debates is emerging about the physical dangers of heading the ball in the game of football. Data out of England suggests that ex-professional footballers are 3.5 times more likely to suffer from and die of dementia than the general population. Dementia, of course, is the general loss of memory and other thinking skills. The theory, but my question is though, if heading the football is that dangerous, then what do we do? Do we ban heading from football or change the texture of the balls? Realistically, do we reconfigure the fundamentals of the beautiful game to exclude heading? What would football be if heading is banned from the game? Personally, I think heading the ball is a mere occupational hazard of playing football. One of those things that we have to calculate the risk of and live with. Is like driving a car or flying in a plane or even walking on the road. These are tolerable level of risks, and I don't see the need to change up football for this. So you know me, I say full speed ahead.